The human rights situation in the European region is under threat, as the key organization protecting it might lose its credibility and power. This is PACE, the motor of the Council of Europe, Europe's leading human rights organization. PACE was the first organization to call out Russian aggression against Ukraine by its name. In April 2014, after Russia occupied Crimea, PACE suspended the voting rights of the Russian delegation, but called to preserve a dialogue. In response, Russia withdrew from PACE altogether, and later stopped paying its membership fees for the whole Council of Europe. In October 2018, Russia wants to return to PACE on its own terms. They demand changes to PACE's rules, making sanctions virtually impossible. This would pave the way for violations by any other state, not only Russia, and the Council of Europe would cease to be a human rights protector. Officially, the process through which Russia can be restored is called strengthening PACE's decision-making process. But this is a Trojan horse designed to weaken PACE, as it would make sanctioning any country which violates the Council of Europe's principles very difficult. PACE would no longer be able to punish human rights abusers. Since 2014, Russia has occupied Crimea, repressed its minorities, and unleashed a covert war against Ukraine. PACE has called for Russia to stop its aggression in numerous resolutions. In Resolution 2132, PACE said that the Russian delegation could return only if it makes progress in implementing all these resolutions. Russia has not implemented a single resolution. Russia's unconditional return to PACE will contravene PACE's own resolutions and the statutes of the Council of Europe. This decision could lead to PACE's own moral destruction. A terrible price just for the support of Russian money. Don't let this key European human rights organization make a fatal mistake. Save the Council of Europe. Speak out against Russia's return to PACE.